EMOplay!
In this EMObingo game, you and your play therapist each have a set of 6 bricks, 1 card, and 1 dice. Separate the 6 bricks individually. Roll the dice. Find the matching emotion on your card, and place 1 brick on it. If rolled emotion is already covered, roll again. First to complete a line that is vertical, horizontal, or diagonal shouts,
EMObingo!
Have fun exploring feelings together.